So AVAX, also known as Avalanche, its full name, it's sitting at $25. Its support is at 24 and the resistance is at 28. I don't know, I'm covering this thing after how long, but overall it hasn't turned into the worst case scenario. If we look at it 4 hours, in 4 hours perspective, if it continues to hold $24 and it continues to stick to its upward journey, this can be a creation of a double bottom, and that can be bullish because then at $28 you will have the breakout neckline and it can start its upward journey. Of course, at 28 it will face problems. It might get rejected a bit in advance before 28, somewhere at 27.3, 27.5, stuff like that. That is $28 is the resistance. But for our case scenario, for sake of taking position on AVAX, considering that we are in a bullish market and we want to take risk, it is close to its entry. Entry is at 24, it's sitting at 25, so it makes sense. It's not a case scenario of FetchAI, the video that I just made, where we had a case scenario of FetchAI sitting close to its resistance. You can't make entries on resistances because it can get rejected there, and that is what we are seeing with FetchAI. It is getting rejected from its resistance from past multiple days. So you don't want to take positions on resistances, you want to take them on support. Of course, if you love that project. If you don't love that project, you wouldn't do anything with it. And if you're trading, again, you take it from support instead of resistance. So even if you're opening it at 25, you would be putting your stop loss on 24, which is the support, or a little below the support. I don't know how you take your trades. It's totally up to you. But it's always best to take positions that are closer to support than to take it in the middle or somewhere close to the resistance. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There is nothing else to add to AVAX. It's not bearish whatsoever. It is bullish, and the structure that it is creating, if it continues to create and goes up and then break the neckline, it will give AVAX a lot of opportunity to start its upward journey towards $30 and above, because it is going to get more and more bullish as it goes up. I think it will slowly get out of this overall downward trend that we are seeing. It did break the downward trend here, but once it starts, it's going to start going up, and we will see the $65 in the larger story. But in the shorter story, you are at the mercy of $24, so don't forget that.